Yeah, here I am over here. Hey, how's everybody doing? Well, today I'm going to show you a drone. Am I kind of far away? I got these oranges sitting here. Hang on a sec. Let me bring this closer. All right, so today I'm going to show you this drone that it's the kind of drone I like. And the reason I like these drones is because they're pretty small. Now, if you know me, I fly very expensive drones and a lot of toy drones, but the ones I have the most fun with are the ones that are really small, really inexpensive, and do a lot of these little acrobat things. So today I have what looks to be the smallest version of the Mavic Air ever made. Look how tiny this thing is. And it actually has a camera in it. And it actually has a battery that you slide in the back. That's pretty sweet. And yeah, it does fold up just like, well, not like a Mavic Air, but see, I can fold, you know, the props down. So it's pretty sweet. So now, oh, and let me tell you this. So now check out the controller. It's a little tiny mini controller, and you have little speeds and flippy modes. Now I've already flown this drone, and I will say that technology's come a long way because the brushed motors on here are super powerful. Like when you hit the left joystick and you give it acceleration to fly up, you have to be careful. It will fly up and hit your ceiling in no time short because it really is really fast. So let me just fold out the little arms here and to power it on, the little power button. And that's pretty much it. And we're all set to go. So let's fly this baby. Go. There we go. See, it's really fast. You have to be very careful. Moving it forward, going through my Christmas decorations, fly through the house. Light and dark areas. It's very fast. Go through the Christmas tree. Go down here, go down a hallway, go in here, head out this way, head it out to the window. It's a very quick drone. If you had two of these, you could just race people around the house. And it flies for about 10 minutes, which is pretty sweet. Land in your hand, and well, take off again. It's that much fun. Indoor flip, bring it down low. There we go. So that's a forward flip. I could do a backwards flip. Come back. You can do a side flip. And you see how much room I have here? Not a lot. You can still like do these little acrobatic things. I can go here. Let me just go this way. Put a light on. I can send it up the stairs. Way up there. And I can bring it all the way back. There we go. So these are the kind of drones that, as everybody knows, I love. Oh, and by the way, I'm flying it on speed number 1. Watch this. That's speed 1. Here, let me come back here. Let me show you quick. All right, that's speed 1. Okay, that's forward. That's backwards. All right, speed 2. 2 beeps. Here we go. Forwards, backwards. Much faster. Speed number 3. Now you can't really fly this indoors. It's made for outdoors on speed 3, but here we go. We're going to try it. There's forward. Way too fast, and backwards, and you got to put the brakes on before it goes anywhere. All right, so now let's take it outdoors and try it. All right, now we're ready for the outdoor flight. Here we go. Let's take it through the door, and we're outside. It's that simple. Now, one thing about this drone that's pretty cool is it actually has a 720p camera that's upscaled to 1080p. So let me just, I've got it in the fast mode, so I'm going to try to keep it going slow. Look at this, it's flying over me. How's the video out here? It's a little bit dull. It's late in the day, but there it is flying. It's not a bad drone at all. And of course, like all these little drones, you can go pretty high and bring it down to me. So I'm going to put a link where you can get this drone. It is easily one of my likable drones because it's got a good camera. It does everything it says it's supposed to do. It flies really well, and yeah, and it flies for a long time. And I think I have a range of like 80 meters on this thing, which I wouldn't even see it if I went that far. But it is an indoor-outdoor drone, so all in all, really good. All right, let's see if we can fly back indoors, and we're in the house. There we go. And now a quick unboxing of the TXD-G1. First thing in the box, you get a set of instructions and a set of instructions for the app. Next, you have the super tiny drone itself and a super tiny controller and a bunch of goodies right here. This is really small. Look at that. It's like a little Mavic Air mini, and look how tiny it is. All right, let's take a closer look at it. Let's unfold it. Look at that, a huge cavity in the back, which means you put a battery back here. And flipping it over, there's the antenna to send you the video signal. And on the front, there's your little camera. And on the top, there's your power button. Included is a very tiny 1-cell battery. Next, we have the super tiny remote controller, which is pretty cool. Look at how it fits in my hands. My hands are like massive compared to this remote controller. Take a look at all the buttons. They are all nicely labeled. And on the front, you have 2 buttons. And over here, you actually have a little spot to pull this off and attach a little cell phone holder here. Fit in there. Batteries, this thing is going to take 3 AAA batteries. Also included in the box is a set of prop cards, your battery charging system, super tiny Phillips screwdriver, 2 spare props. All right, the battery's in the drone. Let's plop it down and see how much it weighs. 43 grams. All right, hope you enjoyed my video of this tiny little mini Mavic Air. This is a really fun drone. Check the links below where you can actually get this. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and look at my little finger sticking out, and we'll catch you in the next video with more drones.